students, I JVM Dr. Vinay Diwan. Today's our topic is penalties and procedure. Section 13. Under IT, under Industrial Employment Act 1946 or Standing Orders Act 1946. Section 13. Penalties and procedure. An employer who fails to submit draft standing orders as required by Section 3 or who modify his standing orders otherwise than in accordance with Section 10 shall be punishable with fine. It may extend to 5,000 rupees, and in the case of a continuing offense with a further fine which may extend to 200 rupees for every day after the first during which the offense continues. An employer who does any act in contravention of the standing orders finally certified under this act or his industrial establishment shall be punished with fine which may extend to 100 rupees. And in the case of a continuing offense with a further fine which may extend to 25 rupees for every day after the first during which the offense continues. No prosecution for an offense which offense punishable under this section shall be instituted except with the previous sanction of the appropriate government. No court inferior to that of a metropolitan magistrate or judicial magistrate of the second class shall try an offense under this section. Thank you so much.